Welcome back to Always Alyssa. We just arrived at the port and we're going to girls camp. We're at the port and we're eating our lunches that we made yesterday. Okay, our hair is crazy because we were on the boat. It's super windy, but we are on the island now. It is very pretty, and they're actually loading all of our stuff in the truck over there. And the original plan was just to carry everything, but luckily they had a truck. Now we're starting to head to our campground. Okay, we finally finished our hike and we're at the camp now. We're about to start setting up some tents. Perfect. There you go. We have our tent set up. Now we're at the beach. The water's super cold, but it's so pretty and it feels really nice. So pretty. Okay, so at first it was like freezing and we were all terrified to get in, but now it's like, it feels a lot better and it's like super clear and pretty. Those people are jumping off rocks over there, but Ellie wants to do it, but
they want to go with me.
Yeah, we don't really want to go over there. It's kind of deep. So clear.
Set. Now, it's out like this. Go.
Okay, so we're walking back up the hill. We were just at the beach and we played an immunity challenge. It was super fun because, you know, the show Survivor. Our favorite. I'm out of breath because we're walking up a hill. But I'm pretty sure I made it to like final 8 out of like 30. So I did pretty good, I'd say. If I was in real Survivor, I would have more motivation and I would actually win. We're gonna go check out the showers now. Okay, so we all changed and like got back into our clothes from earlier and we're all just snacking, waiting for dinner because we got hungry, I guess, from that challenge. Now we're heading to dinner. Nachos and burritos.
Whoa, they're fighting! Dang! It's a battle!
Why is this so entertaining? Oh my gosh.
Oh gosh!
It's so cute. Hey everyone, so it's the next day at camp. I'm like super tired, that's why my voice sounds like this. It's very early because we're gonna go help set up breakfast. We just took showers, our hair is clean. I'm like so happy because we got to use shampoo and conditioner. It was like an outdoor shower and we had to like wear our bathing suits, which is kind of annoying, but at least we got to shower. So I have some fresh clothes on and I think we're just gonna chill for the rest of like the hour and then probably make dinner. Okay, so Alyssa has been finding out that her thing is deflating. Yeah, it keeps deflating. She finally found a hole. Right there. It's tiny. So we're gonna try to duct tape it. It took us forever to get this duct tape, by the way. Okay, that should be good. Now it looks super tacky, but that's okay. And then you can actually new, like, fill it up. Okay, let's fill it up and let's see if it like works. Okay. And see if there's any more holes. Cool. It seems to be working so far, but I guess we'll see when it's fully inflated. Okay, working pretty well. I think it's good. So yeah, I'm just gonna lay it back down. Okay, so Ellie and Kinsey are laughing at absolutely nothing because I said there was a bird on the hill and there was, but then she thought it was a human that I thought it was a human. And so yeah, then it like got all awkward. But I saw it fly away, so I can prove it was a bird, but they like don't believe me. I don't really know why they're laughing. And they're still laughing at nothing. It's not a good idea to drink water when you laugh. Okay, so I had to put like a bunch of extra duct tape. It looks really tacky now because I guess the air was still somehow coming out of the duct tape.
It's still like deflating.
Yeah, the air was like somehow coming out of the duct tape, so I had to put like 20 more pieces.
Let's see if it works now.
It's gonna come home all silver. Let's see.
Well, let's hope it works.
Yeah, let's just like inflate it again and hope it works.
Okay.
2 hours later.
Okay, so it's 2 hours later and
Yes, we had dinner and it still somehow has a hole. We're trying to figure it out. We think it might just be coming out the duct tape, so we added more.
much more.
So we're just gonna keep refilling and adding duct tape.
Let's hope that works.
I hope so. We literally just bought this, like it's new.
Innovative Alyssa.
Look, we're a popular tent. Hi. It's almost 10. It's like 9:30ish.
Okay, yeah, it's 9:36.
It's 9:36 and this still has like a hole in it. I don't know how the air is making it through all this duct tape, but
This is update number 3. We now have gone around the corner even.
but it literally like still somehow the air will make it through.
This is probably refill number 15 or something.
Yeah, we'll update you guys. We're gonna brush our teeth soon.
Woo! Having fun.
Now we're on our way and we're starting a hike. But first we're gonna go use flushable toilets. Look at the view up here. We made it to the viewing point. It is super pretty. Okay, so we're doing a shortcut across the bay over here instead of having to walk way extra. So we've been walking for a while. It's like lunchtime and we're heading back to camp. I don't know if we're going the right way or not. So it just doesn't look like the right way, so we're gonna have to turn around. So I hope we're not like lost, but no one else is with us and we're like super sweaty. Okay, I think we found the way. We're just going down this hill and perfect. Here's our camp. I'm pretty sure we literally beat everyone. No one else is here. Okay, finally, we made it back to our tent. I'm sleeping here. That's Kinsey's bed and that's Ellie's bed. We're heading to the beach. So we're taking this extra trail because we heard that there's still 7 kayaks left and we're gonna go claim them. But this is kind of like a detour, so I hope we're going the right way. Ooh, the view is so pretty. We are having sandwiches for lunch. I know it doesn't look the best because the bread got squished, but it'll taste good. We're making lemonade for the whole thing. Perfect. So we're in the ocean right now. We just got in almost to like our shoulders, but it's still freezing. Ellie says it's not, but Kinsey and I agree.
It's so cold.
It's very cold, and I also brought my chips from lunch because I didn't eat them. I don't know, I just did. And it's actually, oh my gosh, it's literally, it's so cold. It's freezing, but we're looking for like fish and stuff because there's a lot of fish. We just walked across to see if there was any fish because apparently there was really pretty fish. We didn't see any, but I took a video with this camera, so maybe there was some. I don't know. And apparently we're having pasta for dinner, which I love, so that'll be cool. I'm gonna make some lemonade and then get back in the ocean. Look how pretty this is. We found this extra faucet. It's closer to our camp than the other one. And this one's even stronger than the other one. So that's like super cool. Let me try to turn it on. Oh, well, it won't turn on, but you believe me. It's hidden in a pretty palm tree. I figured out the best way to cut pineapple. So the person cutting it cut it like a watermelon. Then I did this. And so now I can just slice it off piece by piece and eat it.
Very handy.
Of course. We made cinnamon rolls on sticks. I know it looks gross, but it's actually good. So right before bed, we decided that we're gonna go take a nighttime walk and look at the beach at night. Oh my gosh! My shoes almost got wet, but I think they're fine. But the beach is like super pretty at night, so so much better at night than day. Like no sunblock. Fox. Oh my gosh. That's It's so cute. That's adorable. Oh, it's so cute. It's a fox. Oh, that's so cute. So cute. Oh, that was so cute. It just looked at us. So we just woke up. We're super tired and we're about to go eat breakfast. Okay, we're all heading back down to do another Survivor challenge. Ocean is super pretty as always. And we left Kenzie at the tent because she's asleep. Everyone is preparing for a Survivor challenge, but me and some of my friends are sitting out because we weren't prepared and we didn't have our bathing suits on, so we're just gonna watch this one. We came back to the tent so we can change into bathing suits so we can go swimming. Okay, we came back to camp and our tent is literally collapsing. Like, oh my gosh, I don't know what's happening to it. What the heck? How is this falling over? I mean, I partially fixed it, but it'll just fall over again. It's so salty!
Yeah, it is. Oh,
Yeah, oh my gosh, it's literally so salty.
Oh,
Yes. Now we're heading back to camp and it's gonna be a kind of a while. Half-mile hike all the way back to our tent, but that's okay. Survivor eating challenge. That is so gross. Yeah.
No, they just need to pop it and...
Well, I've never.
You just grab it. Ew. Now we're on our way to brush our teeth. Okay, so we're here on the beach and we're about to do another Survivor challenge. But basically there was like a bunch of different color like wiffle balls, like tiny little ping pong size wiffle balls. And they put them all around and each tribe, or I call them tribes because I watch Survivor, but each team had to go like find their color blindfolded and the other part of the team would yell to them like where to go. So it's pretty tricky. We just did the Survivor challenge. We were on separate like teams.
Yeah.
I think they got last place.
Well, our team got last place.
But we got like 4th place. I mean, it was kind of hard, but it was still pretty fun. We're heading back up the hill now. We're gonna go sit by the fire. Look at the sunset. We're at the camp getting the last bit of tang and nobody else is here except for us. It's super early in the morning and we're packing up the tent. Waiting for the truck to come pick all the suitcases and luggage up. The truck is here. We're heading back to town to get ready to get on the boat. 4 tribes competing for the boat to arrive. So we walked first from all the way over there, running back to where our boat is coming soon. And we can see both sides of the water between the island, which is so cool. So on this second bag to their tribe, with Real Survivor, I would totally participate. While we were over there, some guy started whistling super loud at us, and he was pointing to this, and then we realized that Ellie had dropped it. So we came back to get it, and look how cute it is.
It's just a little dirty.
It's a little Catalina Island eagle. Getting on the bus.